A man who has been hiccuping for 2 years is devastated after finding out there is almost certainly no cure. Hopeless Daniel Clavin, 38, started suffering continuous hiccups on July 2011 after a night out drinking, and the condition is presently messing up his life. Clavin and his wife Susan, 39, sleep separately, struggles to eat normally, and he is embarrassed about going anywhere in public. He was lately diagnosed with multiple sclerosis and thinks the hiccups could be an indication of the illness. But with no cure in sight for Ms. Clavin fears he will have them for as long as he lives. The dad of 2 Harry, 4, and 20-month-old Megan is presently seeing a neurologist who has prescribed chlorpromazine, a drug generally used for treating schizophrenics. The drug has failed to end the hiccups, however, he seems to have minimized them to a standard one-off pattern. In spite of his condition, Clavin says he has managed to keep his job at BT as a software worker. Clavin has consulted a chiropractor, seen several specialists, changed his diet, and had 2 endoscopies, taken tranquilizers and CT scan, but all without success.